All right. Well, good afternoon. Welcome to the severe weather coverage of May 24th, 2024. It is Memorial Day weekend, and I want to start out with what's going on right as of right now. So we have now under I posted on Facebook not too long ago. We are now under a severe thunderstorm warning. So eventually, I'm going to change my status to the color to the severe thunderstorm warning as a blue, and green is means uh, box of watches is tornado watch. Also, we do have another severe thunderstorm watch for Columbia, which that includes Okie Kent. And if you're watching this, and then we also have that severe thunderstorm warning. Also, I want to go back down here where the we also do have a severe thunderstorm warnings, and then we also another severe thunderstorm watch for the parts of Texas, including my grandma, and then two of my sister-in-laws lives right here and here. And they're also under severe thunderstorm watch. We also do have a new severe thunderstorm watch just been issued for these three counties in Texas, and also we are not under severe thunderstorm watch, but we've been seeing pop-up storms, you know, that are now forming, and then parts of pop-up storms right here in Broken Arrow, and parts of Bixby too. They are also under pop-up showers. So not showing any signs of storms yet, but we also in parts of North Carolina are under severe thunderstorm watch. Morgan, Illinois County, and Mississippi, and that's also under there. Also, we also have basically we have 15 severe thunderstorm counties. This one is a considerable threat. So, as of right now, let me just get to this right here. As far as about the severe thunderstorm watch. So we all just want to, as you know, this is the severe thunderstorm watch. What is the probabilities? Probabilities. This is we're showing a low chance of a tornado threat. This is really cool. So there is a low chance of tornado could be an outbreak in these following counties, and then to EF2, EF5, that's a 10% uh, of a low threat, and we might be seeing moderate risk of 50% of hail risk. So we have and wind. So we do have. So this is part of that. This is part of this right here, that we could be seeing a low chance of a tornado, and moderate risk of hail. So we do want you to be fully aware about that condition. So once again, in these counties, so from Texas to Oklahoma and parts of Arkansas, could be seeing some hail at the main threat. So keep that in mind. So I want to go over here where my uncle lives, Missouri. My uncle lives in Missouri and parts of Illinois. I wanted to get into this one. So hopefully, also you're at a 20% of a low chance of hail. So basically the same thing as I'm going as what you're seeing. So we're kind of on the same page as for this county. So you're for this county and this county are like very seeing some of the same conditions as we're seeing. They also just issued a red flag warning, and so that's not. I mean, for that New Mexico has been in a drought area for quite some time, so they're not having any rain as of this moment, and then parts of Texas are in a drought, and this definitely in a drought. Parts of New Mexico right there are also in a drought too as well. So also we do want to go back. We want to go to this flood watch. That so that doesn't show as much what the probability is. So as of this moment, we are expecting see a low chance of hail and a chance of a low threat of a tornado. So as of this moment, and I also do want to check out these the new severe thunderstorm warnings just now been issued. I am looking at two considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. So, but I am going supposed to do something tonight with Maddie. So and I will keep you all up to date. And I am going to be leaving on the radar image up. So again, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning for until 10 o'clock at night, and we are not included. Tulsa's not included, but parts of the great country it is. So we'll be monitoring that too. So we have two new severe thunderstorm warnings. So it is not showing indicating threats. So that's really good news as of this moment. So I do want to go back and I do want to check out this modular. So, and I will be also in the meantime, I am going to show you what looks like what's going on. So there's that scattered pop-up showers I'm talking about earlier. So, and then I want to get into this as of this moment. So this is that we want to talk about this. This is what it's supposed to do for tonight. So there's that line of that tornado that we could be seeing, and then we want to get into the outbreak. So this is just updated. So this will be updated pretty soon. Also, I will show you this right now. It hasn't updated for that weather. So let's get into this. So this is the so Plano. If you're in Plano, Emi, this is for you. You are included for that moderate enhanced risk, and then we're in a slight risk. So, and we're also in they're also for Chicago, Texas, from my former town, Haydenstown. He's in Memphis is in a slight risk. So I want to get into the hail. So this is the hail we're talking about. So we're seeing the main threat. The hail is the main threat. So we're Texas are talking about hail, the main threat, which this is the line of that hail that are included, which includes Dallas, Plano, McKinney, where my two of my sister-in-laws live, and Emi is included for that main threat of hail. So we'll be monitoring that as well. We're in a great risk of having significant hail. We're not having hail as of this moment, but this is like the main threat right here is included with that hail. So let's go check out the winds. So there's the winds. So this is now included Quincy, Illinois, which that's how do I say that? My great uncle lives in it. Russell lives in Illinois, and then Habano, Missouri, and Jacksonville, Missouri. They're gonna get some high winds. So Tulsa and Oklahoma, not one Oklahoma is not gonna get any winds. So let's get into the big thing, the tornado. So here is the tornado threat. This is including Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Fort Worth. So that means they're at a 2% chance of having a tornado as of this time, but it means it could happen any moment. So they're not showing as much as a threat of a tornado. So let's talk about day 2. So this is day 2 of severe weather. So we are going into day 2. So this is day 2. We're in the moderate risk of severe weather, which that includes parts of Oklahoma, Tulsa, parts of Kansas, right here, including my except for Inside's right here. They're not included in the moderate risk. Onkakin is like in a migrational risk, and Amy and my sister-in-laws are not included in that risk. So they're including for tomorrow, for today's risk. So we're like out in the bubble, like really out there, but not really in the risk. But that can like change every hour since I'm using Omega radar, Mega radar, so whatever they call it. Yeah, radar Omega. Excuse me. So they're also not like including that risk as it is time. So let's go check out that where the hell stands for tomorrow. So let's get into that. So we're also in a big severe of having hail for these 3 conditions. So that's Oklahoma, Tulsa, Wichita, Topeka. So this is the hail threat. That's also included. So we're like in the black. So we are right here. We're Coweta is in there too as well. So is Barnesville, Oklahoma, Norman, and then Woodward is like really good, really barely in it, and I think Ensign, Kansas, like slightly in it. I'm just gonna say, and then Amy's not in it, so and Okan's not in the main threat of severe of hail as of this time. So we're like really are in it, pushing in it. So let's talk about the next thing. Let's get into the high winds. So this is also the high winds for tomorrow. So we're definitely Wichita, Kansas, Missouri, Joplin, Missouri, and Hutchins, Barnesville, Oklahoma. The only high winds is really getting is Barnesville. We're like right here, and then right here, 50% chance of having it. So let me just go out here and we're like they're gonna get it right here, and then we're not even in it. So that can like change. So that might be the tornado threat that could be happening for tomorrow. Let's go to the tornado threat. So this is the tornado threat, which that includes Tulsa, Norman, Oklahoma City, Lawton. So they're like really gonna get it. And then let me just go in there. So Oklahoma is not included for that tornado. So we're like, so there's me. I'm barely in the great res. So I'm like, could be out of that main thread. Hayden is not included for the main thread, but then he's out of level 3. So parts of Broken Arrow are included. I'm barely included for it. So we're also in the black, which that might see the great chance. So that's really a high probability of seeing a tornado for that condition. And then when we get into day 3, that is going to be included for St. Louis, Missouri, which that's all. Oklahoma is included for day 3. So we'll be getting that into shortly. We're still going to be. So I don't know who's calling me, but I forget about that Rickrow. So So let's get back to this. So this is day 3. This is for uh, Sunday. So that includes parts of Illinois and Kentucky and Memphis, Missouri, Mississippi, and Alabama. So and also Plano is included for the migrational. So there is not a lot to go on. I'll be updating this. So let's go back um, to that. We're gonna go back to today. So let's go back to today. So this is what it stands for as of today. So, but as of right now, there are no tornado warnings as of this moment. And the barometer pressure is steady. I want to go. Sorry. Let me go back. I want to go to this. See what look. So this is right now. It is 80, 90 degrees. So it's really has jumped up a little bit. So but yeah, but as of right now, I am going to leave this radar image up, and we'll go from there. And then if anything happens, oh, one more thing, that severe weather for tomorrow is supposed to happen between evenings. So, but I am just going to be leaving this radar image up. I am actually going to zoom it right here, and I will keep you all advised. So I will see you. I will leave this radar image up, and I will I will check back soon. Alright, so we have some line of storms are now popping up. And it's moving just to Arkansas, and we have some line of storms right here. Also, we do have a tornado warning, and it's in North Carolina, just north of between Wilmington and just moving to so at this time we still have this tornado, this severe thunderstorm watch. So that's really and it's good, and it's supposed to expire in 19 minutes. So that's moving on in the sea. So not much to worry about. So we still have quite a few thunderstorms to watch, and I'm gonna reboot this for a moment. So bear with me. So again, also we have another severe thunderstorm warning. So we have three considerable thunderstorm warnings. We have one in Dallas, just south of Dallas. Just this is the one that is considerable. This is now to a golf ball size hail, and the good news is there's no active possible tornado. Let me go check that just real quick. It is not showing a possible tornado. So this is that tornado warning. It's not even in a severe thunderstorm watch. It's now is in a severe thunderstorm. That tornado warning is just now moving. So it's just moving into the sea. So that's really good news. Not a lot going on. So that is pretty much that will expire early. So that's really good news. So we do have another severe thunderstorm watch, and as of right now, we do not have any severe thunderstorm warning except for that we have a watch. So that's really good news as of this moment. Also, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning parts of Arkansas, Mississippi, and the Mid South. So that is a not. It's showing a quarter size hail, so that's not as much of a so that is really good news. So we have another storm that's just popping up. So I appreciate all your support, and I am happy to say we have 450 subscribers to my YouTube channel. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe to me on my YouTube channel if you want more content. Also, I do all sorts of other stuff on YouTube. I game and also do other fun stuff. And I do have like all. I'm trying to grow my channel as much as I can. So, but I am. But as in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep you. I'll keep you all advised what is going to happen. So, and we'll go from there. I'll see you here in a little bit. and I do have like all. I'm trying to grow my channel.
More, but we still are going to keep a close counties. We do the Orlando area all the way up. The Meeker.
We're going to break all that down, why we think we may or may not see those storms coming up in just
be in their safe space and
Oklahoma City's programming, and then we'll break right back in to talk more about our local weather.
Outside right where I'm going to actually stop the loop real quick so you can see the warning boxes to give you an idea of who needs to be in their safe space and who is, well, I wouldn't say in the clear, but doing a little bit better than these spots. So we do have the Meeker, Johnson area. These spots are going to be seeing these storms probably in the next 15 to 20 minutes because of how fast this is moving. We do have that warning go until 5:45, but if this keeps picking up speed as it is, they may expire it early because it'll start to move into more counties off to the east. Now I'm going to zoom out again real quick. I know some of you are not in these areas and trying to get into work this morning. So coming in from the north, just going to be some light rain stretching up to Guthrie, Pleasant Valley, the Orlando area, all the way up there if you drive to work from there. Lakeview, just seeing some moderate rain as well. Coming in from the west, things are pretty quiet this morning. So our western counties, by the way, you all are in the clear. So if you're west of I-35, in these areas here, you're going to be in the clear. Over the southern counties, we do have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. We have this one that goes until 5:45 for Murray County. This was warned for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and up to quarter-size hail, and that's what most of the severe thunderstorm warnings are being warned for. But this destructive one, the one that has the tornado warning attached to it, this one obviously is going to have a destructive severe thunderstorm warning just because of the tornadic aspect and because of those winds that are really starting to pick up. I'm also going to step off screen so we can also pull up some of the data coming in from the National Weather Service. Just see if we can pull up the chat real quick. We might even do this on another computer to make it a little bit easier. So again, I'm going to zoom into this tornado warned storm. So this is right by the Hazeldale area. I'm going to pull the velocity scan back up. So from Hazeldale to Clark Heights, you can see that rotation still in play here. Luckily, it is starting to broaden a little bit more. But we still are going to keep a close eye on this as it is still a tornado-warned storm. So Hazeldale, Clark Heights, you guys need to be in your safe place. Same with the Dale and McLeod areas if you are anywhere east of those areas. So if you're right near the I-40 corridor, this will be moving to your area pretty soon, especially out towards Johnson, stretching from that up to the Meeker and Clifton area, even over in Shawnee. You guys need to be in your safe place as well. Now, the further south you go, that rotation
So also, I am looking at this line of storm. I am actually going to go ahead and come back to this. I am actually going to go right here. Let's go to the modulars and look at this storm and see what will stand. We're looking at. So this is what it's supposed to do. Actually, so this is what it's supposed to do here as beginning at 7 o'clock. This is what it looks like right now at 3 o'clock earlier. We're going to 5 o'clock. So this is the 5 o'clock, which that's coming up at in here in a little bit. And we're gonna go play at 6 o'clock. There's some potential storms will be popping up, and when we get to midnight, this is what it looks like at midnight. I am actually going to go to work at this time right here. I get to go at work early, so this is going to be clear. And coming at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and then when we get to 9 o'clock, that looks good. 10, 11, 12. So I expect to be off at this time. So I'm going to play a little bit. So this is what it looks like at 5 o'clock. You might be seeing some pop-up showers in just west of Oklahoma. And then for at 6 o'clock, we'll be seeing line storms just by Guyman and this county. And then when we get to 7 o'clock, so these line of storms will be popping up. It would give us enough time to, to get to playing your day at least. So that it could have been a lot worse. So this is at 8 o'clock hour. So there will be a potential significant storm could be heading our way. And when we get to 9 o'clock, so we're expecting some showers will be allowed to move in. So as of right now, we're just playing it. So it's supposed to be rolled out around 11 o'clock at night. So, but I will be monitoring that. I'm also gonna go to this this radar image. So this is what's supposed to do. So yeah, I'll be monitoring that that situation. So that it's just still a little bit early to know that. This is what it looks like right now. Hopefully it'll load up pretty soon. And I'm actually going to go to this radar image and close that out. And so right now there is 90. So this is just that hail that we're seeing as of this moment. I'm going to play a little bit. Just play a little bit. And it's just moving, just now moving over here. It's just nothing but general thunderstorms as of this moment. We are still under that severe thunderstorm watch, and it's now included parts of Arkansas. So this has now updated a new severe thunderstorm warning watch. Excuse me, and then the probability is just about the same. The good news is that chances of that tornado risk has decreased some, which that's really good news. So, and the hail has increased a little bit, but as of right now, there is no threat of tornado. Is very low. So for tonight until we have to watch it again tomorrow. So as of this moment, so that is really good news. As of this day or tonight. So, but like I said, we're still under severe thunderstorm watch. So that's really good news. So, and they just issued another severe thunderstorm warning just mid-south. So, but right now, we also have another severe thunderstorm warning, and then this is for ping pong size hail. And I will, like I said, I will keep you all advised. I've been just checked on back, did some follow ups on it. So if anything happens, I will get back to it. And I'll keep you all advised.
Starts to get a lot more broad and weak, so that's why there aren't any tornado warnings down here towards Brooksville, Macomb, the Anderson area, and other spots in Pottawatomie County. So the central and southern portions of Pottawatomie County just have strong winds and a little bit of hail, but this far northern portion of Pottawatomie and very far southern portion of Lincoln County have this tornado warned storms. It's kind of the area of rotation we are.
Anna Marie Cunningham was in third place with 1,400. She wrote down, this has been a dream come true. Oh, thank you for joining us today on Jeopardy, Anna Marie. I wish I could give you credit for that, but instead you're going to lose money because I'm so mean. You're going to lose all of it, $1,400. Haas Carballai was in second place with 6,800. His response, what is Beowulf? That is correct. Name for the shelf on which it was discovered. So you're going to add to that 6,800. 3,999 will take you to 10,799. But Amar Kakirde could not be caught today with 15,300. Did he think of Beowulf? He did. He's going to add $1,500, taking him to $16,800 today, and now a three-day total of $41,399. Well done. We'll see you right back here on the Alex Trebek stage on Monday. Have a great weekend.
Ashley's Memorial Day sale is going on now. Shop our biggest selection of hot buys, cool deals, and shop limited time savings with 0% interest for 60 months or 0% interest for 72 months with
So we are, as of this moment, we are now under this county is now issue a severe thunderstorm warning, and it's going in effect right now. And this one it's for eastern Love County and southeastern of Oklahoma. That's also it is produced quarter size hail. So this is just a plain severe thunderstorm warning. So this is right now it is a severe thunderstorm warning as of this moment. I want to go to see a little what this is moving north, shifting a little bit northeast. So, and then we also have this line of storm. So that's not producing as much. So, and then I want to go and do a storm track. So this is what it looks like. It is not as much right here, so that is not doing it really as big as I thought. So that is really the base of that storm that's doing. So that's really not producing as much. So I want to go back to this. So, but if anything happens, I will just keep you're all advised. At least there's not any tornado warnings, and we do have that considerable severe thunderstorm warning for this county right here. At least 3 counties of Missouri. So, and then we want to go back to this one. So some of the warnings has just allowed to drop, or so then the only considerable thunderstorm warning we have is that one. This is just nothing but as of right now. So don't worry, I'll keep stay tuned. I'll keep you all advised.